Pag-usapang sulit and masarap na lunch set, eto na siguro yung pinakamarereko ko sa inyo. Eto may big serving ng entree, tapos may rice pang kasama, may appetizer, and may soup pa. Sarap-wise naman, di ako mapapaya dyan kasi it's XO46 Heritage Bistro. Kasi nasa top 3 ko sila ng best Filipino restaurants of all time for me So I feel like mapa-lunch out with your office mates, or kahit date, or kahit kasama yung family nyo. Perfect na perfect tong masaganang pares nila. Kasi it's a complete Filipino feast na. Simulan na agad natin ang pinaka-nagustuhan namin, hands down, as in tumbling kami sa sarap dito sa tostadong adobong pula. Sorry na sa pang-hype, pero masarap talaga siya. You get that rich adobo flavor with that signature smoky anato taste. Best part yung pork and tender and crispy at the same time. Kasi nga, tostado siya. Perfect iparison sa laing and molo soup na both pretty solid. This for me is the perfect feast. Yung kare-kare talaga nila dito, not for me kasi mas gusto ko yung peanut tea and may konting tamis. So para sa inyo to if you want that traditional kare-kare with a subtle peanut, more on the savory and no sweetness. Pero itong feast ata na to yung pinakasulit. Kasi for 485 you get this and may bagnet pang kasama. You can't go wrong din with their kaibigan set na may kasama namang sisig, na grilled talaga and ma-appreciate yung parang tostado bottoms. Ang sarap din ito with the gising-gising na may konting kick ng spice. For seafood naman, we tried the maharlika and it has grilled pusit na well-seasoned. Perfect palalo with a squeeze of lemon. Itong kabataan naman, perfect for kids kasi fried chicken siya. For me lang, I don't think fried chicken ang expertise na XO46 pero na-enjoy ng tita ko at ni RC. And Mayumi is perfect for vegetarians. Parehas malasang ginataang kalabasa at sitaw and may kasama pa yung okoy. Iba talagang bilib ko pagdating sa Pinoy food kay XO46 na I feel like super underrated pa din and buti na lang may lunch sets na sila so mas lalo pa pinasulit. Enjoy!